Come and take a look at this grinder. Whether it is coffee beans, grains, or various spices, it can grind it quickly and finely. The operation is simple and easy to use, and the operation process is low noise. It is made of food-grade stainless steel to ensure the safety and hygiene of the grinding process, and is wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant, easy to clean, no residue, saving you time and effort. Let every mellow flavor of life start from the details, bringing you and your family a healthier and more delicious life experience.